Alright, so we're going to look at problem 218 here, and what we're going to do is we're going to look at a sprinter accelerating from rest to 9.5 meters per second in 1.21 seconds. So we want to know what their acceleration is in meters per second squared and what their acceleration is in kilometers per hour squared. So what we can do is we can use our velocity equation, which relates the initial velocity and the acceleration in time. Now, they're starting from rest. So this tells us that the initial velocity, v0, is going to go to 0. And so we have v equals a t. If we solve this for a, we can rewrite it as a equals v divided by t. So we'll plug in our given numbers, 9.50 meters per second over 1.21 seconds, and we get 7.85 meters per second. And now the second part we can just treat as a conversion like we did in chapter 1. So a equals 7.85 meters per second. And there's 60 seconds in a minute. Oops, this is meters per second squared. I forgot my squared there. And that actually becomes really important right here. Because that's seconds squared, I need to square the whole thing here. And there's 60 minutes in an hour. So now I've got my units for time converted, and now I need to convert my units for distance. Right? We want kilometers per hour squared. And so we'll get 1,000 meters in a kilometer. We'll plug this on our calculator, making sure we take notes of these squaring. So 7.85 times 60 squared times 60 squared divided by 1,000. That gives me 1.02 times 10 to the 5th kilometers per hour squared. And that gives us the answer for what our sprinter